Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Travel with Mood Images TT. And today I'm in Curacao and I have a mini haul of my souvenirs. Lord, y'all mind how I looking, because today has been a stressful day. You can watch the other videos and you would see what I'm talking about. Anyway, let me just show you what I got in the souvenir store. Now, this is the first time I am in Curacao. I'm not here for long, and I just decided to pick up some stuff. So I do intend to come back. However, when I come back, I do need to get these things, right? So first thing I got is a Curacao, lady magnet. Now I can't remember the prices, but most of them were like $5 US. The average price for a magnet and $4 US, right? I got a shot glass. I don't really want to take y'all, but I will just show y'all. Here's one more time. So I got my vlogging camera, but it's charging. So yeah, I got this one, this one, and this nice big one, which I think I keep in this one, between this one and the lady, because I have a Curacao lady. So when I'm curious, I have a Costa Rica lady, so I might keep the Costa Rica. Right, so that's that. My mom is collecting these, like this plate thing, so I got one of this. I got 3 keychains. Yeah, so this one. Now, some of these things to give to family and friends. I think most likely I'll be taking this one because I like this one. Alright, that's that. Right, she gave me this as a complimentary gift. A little bag. I think they call it a coin purse. And I bought this. If you all know what Curacao is for, it's the blue Curacao. So they actually have a liqueur. It's 4 mini gift bottles. And then the most prized possession is this. So yeah, and that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know if this might be a separate video, if I might put it in. Most likely I'll put it in my vlog, right? And